Welcome to Spectre Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how to download Chrome browser in Windows 7. Let's begin. To download Chrome browser, firstly go to any browser like Edge browser or Internet Explorer. Here I'm using Edge browser to download Chrome. Now type Chrome and press enter. Go to first link. Click on download Chrome and your download will start. After that, click on downloaded file and then click on run. Chrome is now installing. It takes much time to install the Chrome in Windows 7, so let's speed up the installation, to save your precious time. You can see here, Chrome browser is now successfully installed and working. If you like our content, and watch more videos, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
It's caught in the crossfire.